Ever feel like you're stuck in the endless cycle of barely making ends meet or just getting by? What if I told you that with just a few simple principles, you could start taking control of your finances, build wealth, and secure a brighter future? You don't need a six-figure income to build wealth, just the right knowledge and strategy. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 key principles that can transform your financial life forever. First things first, if you're not budgeting, you're just guessing where your money is going. Budgeting isn't just about keeping track of expenses, it's about taking control. Start with the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Once you have a clear picture of your spending, you can make smarter choices, and more importantly, you'll start seeing where you can save and invest for the future. Life happens, and when it does, you need to be prepared. That's where an emergency fund comes in. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This fund isn't for vacations or luxury purchases, it's for when your car breaks down, your job unexpectedly ends, or an unforeseen medical expense arises. Having that buffer can prevent you from going into debt during tough times. High-interest debt like credit cards is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. If you're paying more in interest than you're saving or investing, you're losing the game. The fastest way to pay it off? The debt snowball method. Focus on paying off your smallest debt first, then move on to the next. This method helps build momentum and gives you the psychological win of eliminating a debt faster. Next up, retirement. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the less you'll need to put away each month to reach your goals. Take advantage of employer-sponsored 401k plans, especially if your company offers a match. If you don't have that option, consider opening an IRA. The key here is compound interest. The earlier you start, the more your money will grow over time. One paycheck is rarely enough to create wealth. That's why successful people focus on building multiple income streams. This could be a side hustle, investments, or turning a passion into profit. Look for opportunities that align with your skills and interests. The more income streams you have, the less reliant you are on any one source. And with passive income, you can start earning money while you sleep. Investing is key to wealth building, but don't confuse investing with gambling. You need to know where your money is going. Start with the basics: index funds and ETFs. These are low-cost, diversified, and offer stable long-term growth. Only after understanding the basics should you consider more high-risk investments like individual stocks or crypto. Always do your research before diving in. Financial education is a lifelong journey. The best investors and entrepreneurs are always learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos like this one, and surround yourself with people who know more than you. The more you learn, the better your financial decisions will be. In fact, the most successful people spend at least 30 minutes a day improving their financial literacy. Setting goals is one thing, measuring progress is another. Regularly check in on your finances, monthly, quarterly, and annually. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to adjust. Maybe your budget needs tweaking or you need to increase your emergency fund. Regular monitoring helps you stay on track and keeps you from falling behind. These 7 principles aren't just financial tips, they're the foundation for mastering your money and building long-term wealth. Start applying them today, and over time, you'll see results. Remember, wealth building isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. If you're ready to take the next step in your financial journey, hit that subscribe button, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment telling me which principle you're going to focus on first. Let's do this together. Your future self will thank you.